How to fix Snapchat can't save Snap in chat. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Snapchat. Log into your account and you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on your chat, located on bottom beside Map and Explore. Then simply hold on to the person you want to add chat in. You'll find all these options. Go to chat and notification. Then in here you'll find keep snaps in chat option. Make sure you turn it on. Make sure the circle is facing right side. After that you're good to go. That's how to fix Snapchat can't save Snap in chat. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off until next time.